In this video, we will be showing you how to replace your front liftgate support on your Audi Q5, located in your engine compartment. For this installation, I'm going to show you how to remove it first. As you can see, you have a few clips on each end. One at the bottom, one at the top. Those are there to secure it in place. To remove these from the vehicle, you're going to want to squeeze underneath with a pick or a very thin flathead and pull it out. And we're going to pull it up. And from there, we will release the tension and be able to pop it out. Firstly, we're going to want to remove this foam out of our way. Pull that to the side, we're going to expose the bottom. From there, we're going to pull this out. Since we are replacing it, it's okay if it pops all the way out. But if you are just removing it and you're going to be reinstalling it, make sure you keep this clip around so that you can reinstall it afterwards. Now let's do the same for the top. Since we will be removing one of our liftgate supports, the hood will start to close on us. So in this instance, I will be using a rubber mallet to hold it up. If you have another piece of soft wood, you can use that as well. Anything sturdy enough to hold the hood up while we do this replacement is okay. It's falling down. Now we can remove the other side, making sure that our hood is still supported. And there it is, friend. Now we're ready for reinstallation. Remember, when we did take the piston out, the body of it was at the top where the rod was at the bottom. We're gonna reinsert it the same exact way. Of course, remember to hold the hood before removing your supporting device. And with the clips pushed all the way in, we're ready to reinsert. Now don't forget to reposition the foam, make sure the vehicle is back together normally, remove your supporting device, picks, and tools, close the hood. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.